Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Valorant not updating. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to a secure and fast internet connection. I highly suggest that when downloading applications you connect on or using an Ethernet cable. Right after, head over to Valorant and in here, click your profile icon, click setting, and then scroll down and just click on the repair button. This will basically repair missing files or corrupted files within our game files that's basically keeping the Valorant not updated. And lastly, if you have a slow update process, you just have to make sure that you wait for it because Riot Games has a weird characteristics where it will just stop downloading entirely and then it will resume it after some period of time. So just make sure that you wait and confirm whether your download is really stuck or not. If yes, the last thing that you want to do is to completely reinstall Valorant to go ahead and fix any known issues on the game itself. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.